Two old friends meet again, wearing all the faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How were they to know someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than a reminiscence? Baby, this time he'll be loving their fine. Baby, now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels alright. Baby, this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they had when they were too young to know when love is real. When somehow some things they change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. It got another chance, and if they take it, baby, this time he'll be loving their fine. Baby, now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels alright. Baby, this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Baby, this time he'll be loving their fine. Baby, now they can be more than just friends.